e-billing solutions, we're a medical billing and consulting firm. We basically help doctors and practices maximize their revenues. We do that through renegotiating contracts with insurance carriers, improving their coding, implementing new billing protocols, streamlining administrative tasks. And we use RMail daily, probably hourly, to be honest with you. We use it for two main functions. One, we use the encryption for emailing personal health information. There's the HIPAA law is a federal law that requires any transmission or communication of personal health information to be secure. So we've been using RPost for almost 10 years now to communicate with our clients, with patients, with each other, transmitting personal health information back and forth so that we can submit claims and help our clients. We also use the RMail, the registered email. I deal with encrypted emails all the time. I'm a recipient of them as well from other insurance carriers and other doctors. And the systems that they use, honestly, are much clumsier than RPost. You often have to sign up for an account before you can even read the email. And sometimes you have to wait for a one-time passcode before you can read the email. And other times, they delete the emails. They're held on a separate server, and they delete them after 30 days. So, those things don't work for us. We want to have these emails for as long as necessary. We want to have a seamless transaction communication between the other party. We don't want to have to wait 10 minutes for them to create an account before they can even read our email. So, and we really like the seamlessness of RPost and Outlook. Works really well together. What RPost has helped us do is really embrace the digital age. Healthcare is notoriously behind technologically. They're still using faxing, they're mailing. Swaths of paper. It's really ridiculous. So we've tried to make a concerted effort to help our clients go completely digital, and RPost just helps immensely in that regard. Not only the two features I already mentioned, but the large email, the large file transfer feature is a great feature for transferring huge PDFs back and forth. So it's just really move into the 21st century, and hopefully the rest of healthcare will eventually catch up